Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the Steam overlay for all games on the Steam application. So while you can make changes for individual games, which I have made a tutorial of on this topic already, if you want to just set the master setting to either enable or disable this, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Steam tab up at the top left and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select the in-game option, and then underneath the Steam overlay, Steam can remain active while in-game, enabling access to Steam community features while playing, versus enable the Steam overlay while in-game, if you could just turn that on or off if you want to change that setting right from here. And this is the master control, so this will just be the default rule for all games on Steam. And you can also adjust the big picture overlay while using a Steam input enabled controller from the desktop. And as kind of a side auxiliary option that is somewhat related here, of course, you can use the desktop game theater when launching desktop games while Steam VR is active. You can modify these settings however you choose, and then you would select OK to save that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.